What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fat Bass TV. I'm your host, Jack. We are in the land of dark skies and high winds. But hey, we're not getting it near as bad as those guys in Texas, man. They got hammered. I feel so sorry for those people. Whew, that's a rough deal there. Man, if you guys live in Texas, man, I'm sorry. Or if you have family that lives in Texas. Whew. I don't think anybody thought that what happened was going to happen, but man, that's a bad deal. Today, man, I don't know about today. I was planning on doing a little fishing and woke up and it was like this. I don't know. I got a little bit of work to do. I got to go to work for a little bit, and I don't know what I'm going to do. We're going to get into something. I think I might have some mail time today. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. This whole hurricane deal has had the mail running kind of slow, so we'll see if it shows up today as supposed to. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna run to work. I'm not gonna take you guys with me. I'm just gonna fast forward into the rest of the video. Wow, that did only take a second. So fast. Can't believe it. Man. Woo. Day didn't go as long as I thought it would. Right now I'm gonna head to pick my kids up. I don't know where they are. I gotta find out if they're still at school or where they're at. Go pick them up, and then we're gonna take it to the house. Up against the wall, young Chuck girl in a push-up bra. Falling all over myself to lift your heart and taste your hip, but this burning shade is so lonely. Smoke rolling out the window, and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. See if we can get out of here without running over anything. Oh. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to prove Jackson that there's a dog out here.
Well, I haven't seen a dog. Is that just like the cat that you said was out here yesterday?
Huh?
Is that like the cat that Jackson said was out here yesterday that nobody ever saw?
No, I really did see it, Daddy. It was a wiener dog.
Oh, what kind of dog?
A wiener. It was a wiener dog. It was gray and black, and if nobody saw it around here, then I must have been just seeing things.
You were the only one that saw it.
No, Baby saw it too.
I don't believe that.
She did. She said she saw it earlier before she came to pick us up.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'm not joking.
I'm not saying you are or you're not. But nobody else saw it but you.
And BB. Thanks. I said it before you. I mean after you.
I don't know.
It really is. I don't know how, but it went. Do you know those little holes in BB's back gate?
Yeah?
It probably squeezed through that because it was small enough to.
You think
Got
so?
a fishing rod.
I do.
Yeah, it's at the front door.
Wrapped
In what's it called? Bubble paper? No. A floating ring.
Floating ring?
No, not a ring.
Like in the swimming pool?
Huh?
Talking about a floating ring like in the swimming pool?
A floaty thing that you hold on to.
A pool noodle?
Yeah.
No, it's not a pool noodle.
Yes, it is.
You think so?
It really is.
You gonna go get it for me?
No, but you are. There's wasps. There's wasps up there. I'm not going over there.
I thought I killed the wasp.
Well, they built another nest.
They're back?
Yep. I saw 3 of them yesterday flying around the nest. I'm not joking.
Okay.
You saw them too, and you said I gotta go spray again.
I didn't see them.
You saw them yesterday.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
They weren't there.
Well, you saw a nest up there.
Okay. All right, so we made it home. Let's go see what's outside. Wrong button. What do we have here? Put in the Bluetooth this time. Oh, wow. Let's see if we can get in here without knocking anything over. Alright, let's get this thing open. Sorry about the background noise. My kids are having a Nerf gun war. No knife. Be right back. All right, so starting off, again, I'm sorry about doing this on the GoPro. I'm supposed to have my camera back tomorrow. They sent me an email, said they shipped it, so hopefully it'll be here. I hope. We'll see. Depending on the rain, I hope they don't leave it outside. You know how FedEx is. They just leave it at the front door. But I ordered these rods. They come with these little rubber bracelets. I don't know if you can read that. I don't even know if it's focused on it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I already had one of these, but they luckily sent me another one. Pretty cool. So I got 2 rods. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm going to tell you right now, I fully believe in these favorite rods. I wouldn't buy them if I didn't. These things are so awesome. They're so light. And these white birds, I mean, this is a 7.2 heavy and it's $69. And I also got a 7.4 medium heavy. And I think this one retailed for $59, I think. Something like that. Man, you can't beat that. For how light these rods are and the quality that they're made, I don't think that there's any other company out there that can compare to this. I really don't. And I've tried a lot of different rods. These things are, man, they're awesome. They are super awesome. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with them. Figure out what I'm going to use them for. I don't really know yet. I'm sure I'll come up with something. One of them I'm pretty sure is going to be spinnerbait / chatterbait rod. I'm pretty sure it's going to be. The other one I got to figure out about it. Oh man, I'm going to put these outside. I'm not quite sure how I want to rig these up yet. I'll fool with it tomorrow. It's time to do the family thing. I'm gonna go in here and hang out with Melissa and the kids, and we're gonna eat supper and all that good stuff, and I'll figure everything out tomorrow. I'm not quite sure yet. But one thing that I did find out while I was in the middle of unboxing those rods is I have a new rod sponsor. I got the email while I was doing it. We partnered with Favorite. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, super excited about it. So
I don't quite know all the full details. It's my first sponsor. I don't really know. But I'll figure it out. It'll be good. So, appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all the support. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right there. And if you haven't seen any of these videos that I'm putting over here, go check them out. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.